Okay, we're back. Going down my driveway. Alright, let's go left this time, that way. Sure, other way. Okay, this way. This way. Wait. Oh, I'm gonna drop my freaking phone. Give me a second. Wherever I see, you see. My doggy. Yeah, you guys are gonna hear wind. You guys are gonna hear it. Sarah, come on! Yeah, my dog likes to just go sniff out things she sees all the time. Looking at my dog, looking at my dog. Yeah, a lot of you guys have been asking what kind of a freaking camcorder am I using. Honestly, to be honest, I'm not using a camcorder. I'm just duct taping my freaking phone to my helmet. And yeah, that's all I do. So that answers your question. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna take that off. I can. Here. There we go. Just had to shake it off. Oh, hell yeah, I did no hand for a minute. Oh, shit. Okay. Keep on going, keep on going. Okay, see that little thing right there? The tiny road to the right? That's where we're gonna turn back that way to my dog. Alright, wait. Gotta get my phone in the left hand. Okay. Taking. Yeah. Oh, let's get my puppy. I'm coming for you. Okay. Trade hands now. I'm just gonna. Oh, sorry. I'm just gonna duct tape my phone to my freaking handlebars. That'll be better. Way better. It's on the helmet. Like, I'm not wearing a helmet, but like, I attach it to my head, like sort of, in the back, with a certain duct tape. It's not too sticky. Not sticky, so it's the perfect one. Oh, I can get it out of my hair easy. Yeah, you guys probably heard that. Probably gonna be a lot of sounds. My other video, there was a lot of that. I didn't even notice it until I watched the video. Oh. Alright, we're just gonna go ripping into my yard. There we go. Here. Hopefully you can see. Those are my gears. There we go. Sarah, come on! Okay. Now this time, hopefully I don't freaking... Give me a second, guys. Oh, shit. Fuck. Okay, ripping into the yard. Tape 2. Wait. Get onto my bike. There we go. Yeah, you guys can probably hear that thunder a little bit. Yeah, the phone wasn't as secure as I thought it was. Look at those bumps. Screw them. Okay. If you guys know my freaking surroundings, if you guys ever see them, if I ever get like a good amount of subscribers, please don't come knocking on my freaking door. Sorry. I forgot that I censor my language. Okay. This might not go so well. Okay. Okay. Freaking ground's too wet to drift. I sort of did, but it failed. Ugh. Alright. I'll see you guys next time. Just tell me in the comments if you want, like, any gaming videos like Titanfall or Dead Rising 3 or Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare or Killer Instinct, Max Crystal Brotherhood, Minecraft, all that stuff. See ya. Bye.